Gozo's stunning Citadella. Stefan Cini from Gozo's Cultural Heritage Directorate tells us more about this monument.
The Citadel is a fortified city, or had the function of a fortified city, which eventually was abandoned. But archaeological evidence shows that since the Bronze Age period, we had some kind of activity going on within the citadel, and we have found silo pits which goes back to 1500 BC. We are proud that throughout the last 6 years we have managed to keep the citadel in very good conditions. We were being awarded or acknowledged by the European Commission with the Regio Stars Awards for doing the best project in the last 15 years, and that makes us so proud. But even we say this with very humbly, because we know that there are so many other challenges that we have to fulfill, and our dream would be one day we would see our Citadella on the UNESCO heritage list. We are on the tentative list, but we are sure that with the efforts we are doing, with the investment we did, thanks to local and European funds, we are on the right path.